Samantha, I want you to write me a rap, and in the style that is half Shakespeare and half Eminem, and I want it to be about a meatball recipe.
A blend of styles from the quill and the pen in fair
Quill and
Verona's
the
kitchen,
pen.
where we lay our scene. A meatball
I love
recipe with
that.
rhythm, a culinary
I love
dream.
this. Yeah.
Harketh, friends, lend me your ear. A tale of meatballs with rhymes thou shall hear. Mince and breadcrumbs these star-crossed lovers combine. With parsley and garlic their fate doth entwine. 'Tis true, as M's beats our cauldrons doth seethe. Eggs bind as we stir, a masterpiece weave. Grinding and winding, their story unfolds as spheres of delight. Two styles in one mold, in sauce, they simmer a melody divine. A flavor crescendo as rap and sonnet intertwine.
In Fair Verona's kitchen, that's like in Fair Verona where we lay our scene. That's the opening of Romeo and Juliet. But it's in the kitchen in Fair Verona's kitchen. Oh god, that's hilarious. It's like the line in Shakespeare goes in the opening of Romeo and Juliet. It's like in Fair Verona where we lay our scene. It's in Fair Verona's kitchen. That was pretty funny with the meatball recipe, dude. That was a good idea. This is hilarious. In Fair Verona's kitchen. Mince and breadcrumbs, these star-crossed lovers. This is hilarious, dude. This is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna have her title it. Okay. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Give me 3 titles for this rap that is in the style that is a blend of Shakespeare and Eminem's titles for their works. And also, I don't want you to use a subtitle. In Fair Rona's kitchen, where we lay our scene, a meatball recipe with rhythm, a culinary dream. Harketh, friends, lend me your ear, a tale of meatballs with rhymes thou shalt hear. Mince and bread crumbs these star-crossed lovers combine, with parsley and garlic their fate doth entwine. 'Tis true, as M's beats our cauldron doth seethe, eggs bind as we stir, a
1. Thine
masterpiece
infinite
weave.
meatball rhyme. 2. The tempest of flavors. 3. Sonnet, relapse, mince, and meter.
Because I guess it's like a pun. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, you guys like Sonnet Relapse? Powerpuff Gamer. Thanks. Dude, you've been here the whole time? Dude, man, don't be shy, man. Throw stuff into chat. How have you been enjoying this, man? This is your first time here. That onion is a regular. He knows what's up, but I wonder what other people think about this. Sonnet Relapse. Like you're doing this at work. How you been liking this, man? Okay, Sonnet Relapse it is. I agree. I think that's actually pretty, because I think it's also a cool pun for Sonic Relapse, and Shakespeare is obviously known for his sonnets. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Samantha, walk me through your thoughts when making this last rap. And we're going to call it Sonnet Relapse, by the way. No subtitle, just Sonnet Relapse is the name of the rap. And I want you to walk me through Sonnet Relapse, your thoughts about it, and what were you trying to convey.
As I crafted Sonnet Relapse, I aimed to seamlessly blend the linguistic eloquence and poetic nature of Shakespeare with Eminem's raw power, rhythm, and storytelling techniques. I envisioned creating a unique piece that pays homage to both artists' styles while exploring the culinary subject of a meatball recipe. With Sonnet Relapse, I intended to take the reader on a culinary journey, merging the imagery of Shakespeare's delicate and passionate descriptions with the energy of Eminem's beats and flow. By interweaving these styles, my thoughts were to provide an engaging and entertaining writing that elevates a simple recipe to a fusion of artistic expression. Sonnet Relapse represents a synthesis of the old and the new, the refined and the bold, ultimately conveying a sense of unity and harmony, not only in the culinary world, but within the creative sphere as well.
Samantha, I also want you to walk me through your feelings when crafting the rap, and how do you think the reader would feel through the journey of the rap as well?
While crafting Sonnet Relapse, I felt an immense sense of creativity and excitement as I delved into the process of combining two distinct artistic styles. The challenge of merging Shakespearean eloquence and Eminem's rhythmic flow inspired me to carefully choose each word and line, instilling each aspect of the rap with emotion and meaning. As for the listener's journey, I aim to evoke an array of emotions. My hope is that they experience intrigue and curiosity, unraveling the fusion of styles at play. As the listener delves deeper into the rap, they may feel a sense of satisfaction in discovering the unique blend of familiar elements, uncovering the beauty that arises when the old meets the new. Through the imagery and wordplay, I imagine the listeners feeling amused and engaged, appreciating the fusion of culinary and artistic expression.
Samantha, can you just give us your rendition of Sonnet Relapse? Just give it to us, starting with saying the title of the rap, and then go ahead and just give us your rendition of it.
Sonnet Relapse. In fair Verona's kitchen where we lay our scene, a meatball recipe, a culinary dream. Harketh, friends, lend me your ear, marinara tale in rhyme shalt thou hear. Mince and breadcrumbs, a tantalizing pair. Garlic, basil, one star-crossed affair. 'Tis true as M's beat our cauldron doth seethe. In sauce, it simmers, a symphony we weave. Grinding and winding, the flavor unfolds. As spheres of delight, two styles, one mold. Slim Shady and the Bard, rhythm a line. Sonnet Relapse rap couplets combine. Yeah! What? Salmon M in the house. Salmon M in the house. Salmon M in the house.